Hi, welcome to CSN Learning Hub. In last videos 3.1 and 3.2, how to create simple CDSU. After that, it is check that CDSU, displayed the data, created the data source. We are used there, it is the two annotations. One is the data extraction enable true, another one is the data category, dimension, cube, fact. Fact is not at a not yet discussed. Fact, related fact. Okay, again going to the system. After this previous video, how to create the simple CDSU, how it is when we are creating the data sources, how it is. When we are using the, again I am repeating, here I am giving the dimension. Without this annotation, we won't able to see this SQL view name in BW side. I will explain again. I have commented this. Without this annotation, won't able to see. Okay. Again, I am repeating again in this video. Now see this view. SQL view name, our application component is the SD. Quickly I am, right how to do that. Again I am repeating. Right click here, create the data source. Next, select this one. Next, give the SQL view name. Not available. Such completed, not available. Why? I have commented this. Now uncomment this. Now we are using this annotation. What this annotation? What is the purpose of this annotation? The data extraction. Which system? BW system. Without this annotation, we did not find that SQL view name. Now check activated. Successfully activated. Now check this one. Again I am repeating. Next, find it now. Now we able to see, because the reason this annotation. Without this annotation, we cannot able to see in the BW side. With connection in CDSU connection. Okay. Click on next. See, able to create, but it is a data source type is the blank. See, blank. Why it is blank? This data category, because this data category. What type of data source that? I am giving the dimension. Activate. Activate. Now see what will come. Previously already learned previous video. Mass data will come. See, mass data attribute. Okay, we will create the latter data source, mass data, right? I will give the cube. Type cube. Okay, they activated successfully. What we are expecting now, previously learn, copy. We are expecting transaction data. See transaction data. Again cancel this. Now give the fact. Type fact. Aggregation levels, it is the planning purpose we use, not required of. We will check it fact. This one it is the final check. After that we will create the data source. What we are expect, again it is the transaction data. See transaction data. Okay, I am repeating again. Today we now I am create the data source. First this annotation, first it is what we have created the CDS view. Without this annotation, this SQL view not available in BW for HANA side. Once it is this annotation is data extraction enabled true, this is the enabled, we can able to do C. After that, what type of data source? There is a blank. After that, we are maintain this annotation, analytical data category. When we are given the dimension, what type of data source it is saying in BW side? Master data. When you give maintain a cube type, it is the transaction data. When we are maintaining the fact, it is the transaction data. Okay, maintain the row. Now create the data source. Activate. I am creating the data source based on that SQL view name. Right click on our application component where we are creating which area. Create the data source. Project and source system name. I need to select this one. Later we will discuss HANA views, native data source object, those stuff. Select this operational from proposal from operational data source. Select that one. Next, give this one. Able to see what type of data source is transactional data. Okay, give the CDS based data source. Simple click on finish. See, what is the fields available? Those are KM. Here see delta related. This one it is the applicable full. See here where we are giving this one overview tab, overview this one extraction tab. Go to extraction tab. See no delta, only full. Automatically we are delta related annotations are not maintained. That is the reason it is showing full only. Here also see fields. Here delta related fields are the unchecked here. What is the reason? We maintained in this CDSU only extract data. This is the up to this two annotations only. This is the transactional data. This is the